What is up, you guys? My name is Van Sharks, and today we're playing a game I don't think I've ever played. Terraria. I don't know how to say it right. It's a pretty fun game. It's like, what? Wait, it won't let me open my door. It's pretty much like Minecraft mixed in with like Call of Duty. See, it has cool custom outfits you can get into, I guess, like Minecraft. But it has weapons and stuff, like this thingy majiggity. My game, what the heck is going on? It won't let me. It's supposed to hit B to get in stuff. It won't let me. Oh, what the heck? Maybe I'll just main menu and do without saving. Start game. This should work. This has happened before. I don't know why it does this, but it just does it. Doopity 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 doo. Okay, as you were saying, like, can I open doors? What the butthole? Are you cereal? Wait. Controls. Use. Help me option. Controls. Finally it opened. Okay. Let's just get back to the game. Now, Terraria is very different from Minecraft. You have guns, you have other things like that. You just look at this. It's nothing. Phew. It's all weird. When you get in the sun, it gets really bright. You have cool weapons and things of that nature, though. So that's cool. Got this thingy. Bam, bam. You can do some serious poking with that if you're ever angry at somebody. Oh, here's this. You could, I don't know what you could do with this. You could, like, slap people with it, I guess. That'd be pretty fun. Slapping people's fun, only when they don't cry. Oh, they also have grenades. This is a grenade. Granada. Oh, and I'm the guy from Alien vs. Predator. My previous costume was a wizard costume down here. You can put costumes. That's a creeper. That's a Ninja Turtle. Whatever. Now, I don't know exactly what we're going to be doing in this video, but I think we're going to summon in something. You can summon in monsters and big skellies. Ooh, legendary banana ring. I'll need that. Wait. Bam, bam, bam. Get banana ties. Get banana ties. Bam, bam, banana ties. Bam, bam, banana. Yeah, you can spawn in mobs and monsters. Get the naughty present. And I can only use this stuff at night, so it's kind of like Minecraft like that. Okay. I'll grab some cannonballs. Bam! Bam, 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 bam. No, turn around. Go back this way, and there. Oh, that's a bunny launcher. It's exactly like that, except it takes explosive bunnies. Ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. Oh, by the way, here's Allison. They have like little villager houses you can build and people will come in. They're not villagers, but I keep comparing it to Minecraft, so. Dude. Oh, thanks for all the support I've been getting for 57 subs. That's pretty cool, I guess. around the campfire, holding my hand, singing a song, looking a man. I gotta wait till nightfall until I can summon it in. So, hold up, ayy. Die, helpless spawn. Dude. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Now watch me, Nene. Watch me. Watch me, Nene. Now watch me whip. Now watch me, Nene. Now watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. Oh, there's one thing I could do. Done on here. Go down here. Oh, it looks all weird now. Beds. Oh, more clothes. Sorry, my guys. Clothes attic. Oh yeah, they have hoverboards. I mean, I have a hoverboard, but I'm kind of powerful. How do I use it again? Do I just jump on it, or just get on it? Get out of here, Alice. Nobody likes you. Go eat a banana. Banana. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go to space. You don't take fall damage either if you have wings. Oh my god, it looks all weird up here. Oh, this is a sand biome, by the way. They do have different biomes like Minecraft, so. Oh, at the end of the rainbow, at the end of the rainbow, you find a pot to go. Where did the rainbow go? The rainbow just didn't disappear. So I gotta follow it this way, and it's gone. Okay. That's not gonna work. No, I'm not patient enough to wait till night. Oh, what's this? A cloud city, oh my god, these things are so weird. There are like cities in the sky, obviously. Or they wouldn't be called a cloud city. Oh my gosh, it's almost night. Or is it just still day and I'm okay, I was up there, that's why. This is so cool. No, I'm gonna mine it. Where's my pickaxe? Wow, I didn't take my, oh, there it is. Oh, get out of here, you birdie. Everybody likes birdies, but I'm just not in the mood for the birdiness. Get out of here, birdies. Think you're tough? Come at me. Birdie. Birdie pandemonium, jeez. Dude, what are you doing? Just come here, jeez. Making this too difficult for both of us. Just, yay. Guess what is what's true? If you jump on a cloud, you can ride the sun till tomorrow. Take me down, son. Oh my gosh, birds! Get out of here! Where are you all coming from? Banana ring, banana. Boom. What? But too many banana rings. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Whoa, bro. Huh. Oh, these are little slime dudes. They get in your house and they annoy the heck out of you. They're not really deadly, though. They can hurt you. Slime dudes are awesome, though. Leprechaun hot. Oh, my God. Oh, don't do it. Oh, my God. But I'm ending the video here. There's gonna be a part 2 though. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for all the subscribers. That's pretty cool. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and I'm gone.